international and domestic modelers from Harvard, from Columbia, from Northeastern, from Imperial, who helped us tremendously. It was their models that created the ability to see.
In New York. So what we're going to see, and that's we got to brace ourselves. In the next several days to a week or so, we're going to continue to see things go up. And then the cluster of other areas.
Dirty ABBI! You can't catch me! What are you thinking of it?
I know I speak on behalf of the President. People all across this country
What was
want to
that?
express our great admiration and appreciation to both of you
I'm going to miss your
for
word.
helping to steer our nation through this challenging time. The American people have now seen what the President saw,
Please the fuck off!
and he made the decision at the end of 15 days to slow the spread.
You know you can't trip me no more. Blood clots.